Hello students, so today we will be discussing about our chapter patrons. In the patrons you will be getting questions related to your numbers completion, your alphabet series completion, and you will be finding so many interesting questions there. If you will be using your logical thinking, analytical thinking and creativity in these questions, then you will be finding these questions very easy and very interesting. Clear? So let's start. The first question is, if the two patrons are given to you 9 and 6, and from these patrons if your answer is coming as 1.5, then if the two patrons here are 64 and the 16, then what will be the patron in the question mark? Now see the question carefully. How 9 comes? 3 multiplied by 3. How 6 comes? 3 multiplied by 2. Now how this 1.5? You might be thinking कि 1.5 आया कैसे? 1.5 आया when you had divided this 3 with 2. The half of 3 is 1.5. So the same concept will be applied in this pattern also. 64 is what? 64 is 8 multiplied by 8. And 16 is what? 8 multiplied by 2. Now how this pattern will be completed here? ये पैटर्न कैसे कंप्लीट होगा? अगर हम 8 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से, then we will be getting our answer here as 4. Clear? So the answer here is 4. So the answer here is 4. Now move towards your next question. Now the next question is, the next pattern is 31, 20 and you are getting your answer as 51. So how you will be getting 8 and 78? What will be the next pattern? If you can see here, 31 plus 20. 31 plus 20 is what? 51. So same way 8 plus 78 will be what? Yes, 8 plus 78 will be 86 here. Okay, so if you are adding these two patterns, you are getting here answer as 51. And if you are adding these two patterns, you are getting your answer as 86. Now move towards your. In the next question, you are having 470. 575, 680 and the 785. Now you have to tell what will be the next number in the sequence. So you can see here 470 plus 105 is what? 470 plus 105 is what? That is your equals to 575. The same way if you add 575 and 105, you are getting your answer as 680. If you add 680 and 105, 785. It means the previous number is added with 105 to get the new number. Clear? The previous number is added with 105 to get the new number. So 785 plus 105 will be equals to, yes, very good, that is your 890. So here the pattern will be completed as 890. See, here in these questions, you have to use your mind. You have to use your logical thinking only. Only then you will be able to solve the questions. Clear? Now move to the. In the next question, you are having 7, 14, 28 and 56. Now what will be the next number? If you can see here, 7 multiplied by 2 is what? 14. Then 14 multiplied by 2 is 28. Then 28 multiplied by 2 is 56. So the same way 56 multiplied by 2 will be, yes, 112. It means each and every number will be multiplied with 2 to get the next number. Clear? Now move to the next question. In the next question, you are having AC, EG, IK, MO. Now, what will be the next number in the sequence? So, you can see here, students, I had written the alphabet series here. If you can see here, A, then C. It means we had skipped B. Then C, after we are getting here E and G. So, what alphabet I had skipped? D. Clear? Now, then E, then G. It means which alphabets we had skipped? F and H. Then I and K. For I and K, which alphabets we had skipped? J and L. Okay. Then M and O, P. Then which alphabets we had skipped? N and P. We had written here M and O. Now, for the next sequence, which alphabets I had skipped? R. So, the next sequence will be Q and S. So, you will be just writing down your alphabet series and you have to notice this thing that which alphabets are skipped and leftover alphabets you have to write down your answer. So, what is the answer here? Your answer here is Q, S. Clear? Now, move towards your next question. In the next question, we are having here 253, then J, 742, then M, 485, then Q, and then you have to tell what will come here. If you can see, 2 plus 3 plus 5 is what? 10. Now in the alphabet series, you have to check at the 10th position which alphabet will come. If you will see it carefully, you will be getting this thing at the 10th position. You are getting your alphabet as J. The same way 7 plus 4 plus 2, that is equals to 13. Now in the alphabet series, if you will be checking, you will be getting this thing that at the alphabet series, your 13th alphabet is M. The same way 8 plus 4 plus 5, that is 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. At the 17th position, you are getting Q as the alphabet. The same way 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. So at the 15th position, you will be getting your alphabet as O. So O is your answer. The next question is A, B, Z, C, D, Y, E, F, X, G, H, W. Now you have to tell this thing, what will be the next alphabet? If you can see here, we had taken A, B, then the last alphabet of the series. Clear? Then C, D, then the next last alphabet of the second last alphabet of the series. Clear? Then your E, F, then we had taken X, then G, H, then we had taken Y. It means now the next will be I, J, and we have to take here V. Very easy. See, questions are very easy. You have to just keep in your mind which logic I can apply here. Okay, so now move forward. Now in the next question, you are having A1B, B2C, C3D, D4E. Now what will be the next number in the series? Okay, so you can see here, A is at the first position. So we had written here A1. Okay, then B. B is at the second position. So we had written here B2C. Then the C is repeated. C is written at the third position. So it is C3D. Clear? Now D is at the fourth position, so we had written D4E. Now E will be repeated, and in the alphabet series, E is at which position? E is at the fifth position. So we had written here E5, and the next alphabet will be F. So your answer is E5F. Clear? So just revise all these things. Go through with the video carefully. If you are not able to understood the concept, then see the video twice, thrice, 4 times, then you will be able to clear your doubts. Okay, thank you.